Futuristic AI graphics, digital circuits, people using AI-powered tools. What if I told you that there's an AI that can read your mind, one that dreams, and another that's making stock market decisions better than humans? Sounds fake, right? But here's the scary part, it's all 100% true. And if you're someone who wants to make wise financial decisions, live a wealthy lifestyle, and stay ahead of the biggest technological revolution of our lifetime, you need to know this. Because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 5 mind-blowing AI facts that will make you question reality, but are absolutely real. So buckle up, because what you're about to hear isn't science fiction, it's your new financial future knocking. 1. AI that reads minds, Act 2 begins, the rise. 2023, researchers developed an AI that could literally decode thoughts into text, just by scanning your brain activity. Yes, scientists at the University of Texas at Austin used fMRI machines to feed brainwave data into AI models that then translated thoughts into full sentences. Not vague guesses, accurate sentences. Let that sink in. Your thoughts can now be read and written out by a machine. If AI can decode our thoughts today, imagine what it could decode tomorrow. Your desires, fears, intentions? And here's the kicker. Tech investors are already pouring millions into brain-computer interface companies like Neuralink. Imagine arguing with your partner and your phone texts them what you're thinking before you even say it. Yes, honey, you were right. Scary or helpful? But here's where it gets wild. AI reading your mind today is just the beginning. Because what if AI didn't just understand your thoughts, but started having its own? Stay with me. Point 2. AI that dreams at night. In 2022, Google's DeepMind revealed that some AI models were dreaming, not metaphorically, but functionally. These dreams aren't bedtime stories, they're simulation runs, where AI imagines different outcomes in a virtual space while it's offline, just like our brain processes experiences during sleep. Why does this matter to you? Because dreaming allows AI to improve without human input. It means your investment algorithm, your financial planner AI, or even your future startup assistant could evolve overnight. While you sleep, it grows. And that brings us to our next point. What happens when AI becomes better at your job than you? You won't believe how fast it's already happening. Point 3. AI outperforms Wall Street. Let me ask you a hard question. Would you trust a robot to manage your money? Because many already do, and it's working. AI-driven hedge funds like Renaissance Technologies have consistently outperformed human-managed ones. Machine learning models can now spot microtrends in markets, adjust in real time, and manage billions without blinking. Some retail apps are already integrating this technology for everyday investors. Meanwhile, we're still out here flipping coins over crypto and meme stocks. Here's the urgency. Financial literacy isn't enough anymore. You need AI fluency. Understanding how AI thinks financially is going to be the key to building lasting wealth in the next decade. And if you're not feeling the pressure yet, just wait until you hear what AI is doing in courtrooms. Point 4. AI is replacing lawyers. And winning. Picture this, you're in court. But the defense lawyer? It's not a person. It's an AI. That's already happened. In 2023, an AI trained by Do Not Pay argued cases in traffic court live, using a smart device to deliver legal arguments. And the results? Surprisingly successful. Legal AIs can now review contracts, detect fraud, and even suggest legal strategies faster than most junior lawyers. Why does this matter? Because AI isn't just coming for blue-collar jobs, it's coming for white-collar empires. Law, finance, medicine, nothing is off limits. If the safe, stable jobs of yesterday are no longer secure, where does that leave you? We're not heading toward a future of job security, we're heading toward a future of skill security. But just when you thought it couldn't get any more insane. Wait till you hear about AI that can clone your voice in seconds. Point 5. AI can clone your voice from 3 seconds of audio. Act 3, the climax. With just 3 seconds of your voice, AI can clone you so convincingly that even your mom might not know the difference. And it's already being used. Celebrities have had their voices cloned. Scammers have used voice cloning to impersonate family members. So next time you get a call from grandma asking for Bitcoin, maybe double check. But it's not all doom. With great disruption comes great opportunity. Voice cloning tech is already helping people with speech loss. It's creating ultra-personalized customer experiences. And it's opening up whole new economies of voice licensing and digital identity. Just like that, a new kind of asset is born, your voice. And now you're probably wondering, what do I do with all this? Conclusion. Here's the truth. We are standing on the edge of a massive AI wave. And you've got two choices. Get overwhelmed, or get educated, take action, and ride the wave to build a smarter, richer, and future-proof life. Because those who understand the power of AI today will own the economy of tomorrow.